Hi friends, you know the old saying, how to eat an elephant? One bite at a time? I'm eating an elephant. My little workshop, this is the first floor of my workshop. Turn you around here. Down there, in the dark hole there, that's where my downstairs dungeon workshop is. This area upstairs here has just become cluttered with stuff. It's become a repository for whatever. And the reality is I need more room to store my tools. So I've decided right here where this blank-ish wall is right now, used to be stacked out to about here with sheet goods. So it's convenient to have them here, but I usually it's like extra stock, and really a lot of it could just go in the garbage, but it's expensive, and it's just, I hate throwing stuff in the garbage. So I'm gonna move it all over to the liquor shop. My wife and I have figured out a place in the liquor shop that's not being utilized right now. It's got junk sitting there anyway, so that junk can go in the garbage, and then I can utilize that space for the sheet goods. And then this area here, I'm going to move all that hardwood too, is going to become some more shelving where I can put all of my tools, because it's a constant problem. I get my tools in here and I can't do anything else because all I got in here is tools. Like, with all the other stuff, there's just no room to walk even. So I'm going to be going through all this in the next few days, and I'll try to document a bit of it, just to show you what's going on outside. Hang on. So this is outside. Sorry, it's a bit dark, but these are my usual array of travel tools, and that's all the sheet goods that came out of that workshop. So all that stuff's got to go downstairs in the liquor shop. Thankfully there's a proper elevator there, and then all this stuff here is going to go on shelves. Now there's a bunch of shelving over at the liquor shop that I'm going to actually move over here as well. So yeah, this stuff here will stay, but it'll get moved onto shelves. I'm going to go through here so I can actually use my welding setup, because I actually have some work involving welding. And then back in there's a bunch of steel stock. There's some melamine, laminate, arborite, and there's a bunch of other tools and stuff in there that I either need or don't need, and I got to figure that out. I also got a burned out light up over there. So anyways, take you along. Stay tuned. Well, I made quite a dent in that. Basically, I just got a few extra boards here and some really long ones there that I'll have to refigure the truck to get those over. And I got some air conditioning and plumbing stuff here. Otherwise, I got all that stuff out. Now let's see what it looks like over here. Yeah, the little truck's pretty full, that's for sure. But gladly I only have to go about 100 meters, and I can start unloading. Stay tuned. Okay, this is my this is the elevator in the building where the liquor shop is, and this. This is the basement entrance of the liquor shop that we'd never ever use. Now, eventually, I go over here and turn the light on. Eventually, I would really like to move my workshop, not here downstairs, but downstairs in the liquor shop. But what I'm going to be doing today is all of this stuff here is going away. And this is going to become the area where I store my sheet goods and wood and stuff. Because this is just old paperwork and stuff. A lot of it we don't even need anymore. We can get rid of it. It's like too old, we don't need to keep it. So I have access here through the elevator, which is really great. And then this is the door upstairs, and then this is the door into the downstairs of the liquor shop, which I hope one day to be the workshop. Anyways. Okay, I got the key. I realized I locked myself out. So that's the entrance there, going into the building to the elevator that goes downstairs. This is the back door of the liquor shop, And then I come down here. And this is the liquor shop. That's the first workbench I ever built here. You can see where the vise used to go. This is the sake fridge, full of sake. And then this is the downstairs of the liquor shop. And I have cleared out a space here. This was just stuff and I got rid of it all. And so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take that stuff from outside, all those boxes, and I'm going to put all those boxes here. Actually, some of them I'm going to take upstairs because Emiko wants to look through them. Some of it's going to go here, and we're going to eventually get rid of that because there's a whole bunch of stuff here that is just, it's just garbage. It's just stuff we don't need anymore. You know, like old invoices and stuff. Once they get past, I can't remember what it is, honestly, 7 years, something like that, then we can get rid of it. That's the old hot water heater that I put in here. That used to be a shower stall because when we were building our building across the street where we live, for 18 months we actually lived in the back of the liquor shop up here, the 4 of us. That was the shower that we used. So this is still functioning, but it's just not hooked up. It's not turned on. So I got to start moving stuff so I can get the truck over here because my truck is full and it's going to snow tomorrow. So I don't want to have to try to move my truck in the snow. So time to get working. Okay, a little bit of work, got that all done. Kind of nasty. Rat droppings everywhere, make sure I wash my hands. So these 2 shelves will fit perfectly in my workshop there along the wall where I just moved all the sheet goods from. So now I got to get these shelves over there and get the truck over here. And I got to do that tonight, because it's going to snow tomorrow. Apparently it's going to snow a lot tomorrow. I don't know about that. I'll believe it when I see it, but that's the word. So still got more stuff in here to get rid of, you know, but the dumbwaiter to go upstairs to the liquor shop is full, and Emiko will start going through that stuff. We're kind of sticking to the what's his name, Justin Rhodes, talk about all the time. He improves his farm 1% every day, so we're just trying to do a bit at a time here and make this a better thing. Okay, I gotta move these shelves. So that's the area cleaned out. Obviously I gotta sweep it up, and I'm gonna start bringing over sheet goods. Okay, that's done. Whew, that was a bit of work, I have to say. Earned my Wheaties today. So there's all my chunks of hardwood. I'm thinking that I'm gonna have to put a chain or something around it. I don't know, I don't think it'll fall over. If it does fall over, it's not really a big deal. Still got a bunch of crap here I gotta get rid of, and a bunch more over there. Get rid of the whole boxes over there. That gives me a whole nother place to store stuff. I got some stuff tucked in the corner there, but yeah, this is stuff that, you know, I don't really use. It's kind of extra stock, and if I need a piece, I mean, I'm 100 meters away. I mean, it's not ideal, let me tell you. I'd much rather have this all stored in my workshop, but I need space in my workshop. So, and it gives us an impetus to clean up some old stuff that we've had just laying around here in the liquor shop. So it's good. It's a win-win. So now I got to go back and kind of rebuild my workshop there. I still got a few things I got to move over. There's still some boards and that. I don't know if I'll tackle those tonight. It's going to snow tomorrow, so maybe I should get them over here tonight. Then a bunch of air conditioning stuff, like the conduit stuff for the outside of the building, and some other stuff. So anyways, thanks for watching. Okay, I'm done. Got her done. So still got more crap in here to get rid of, but that's a 1% a day, like I was talking about before. And yeah, I'm happy with that. Now I got to go across the street and put everything back in shape there. Okay then, still got some cleaning up in here to do, but the new shelves are in. Still got to screw them to the wall. Already you can see I had enough space to go back there and change the light bulbs that were burned out. Still got to sort through some stuff in the back there. Some of that stuff's going to stay, some of it's going to go. Got another whole load of stuff to put in the truck. But big difference. All that wood gone here. Now I've got room for stuff there. I've got my stack of toolboxes with my dolly here. That's easy access to go out the door. Yeah, well, I'll be working on this tomorrow. Apparently it's going to snow, so I'll be snowed in. Anyways, everybody, that's it for today. Thanks for watching.